Hi, I am Mark Adamson. I am a healthcare professional. I was working in the healthcare industry for 36 years. I started my journey in network marketing and affiliate programs in the early 90s on a part-time basis. I made income with those industries. However, I was not enough to retire from my job. Then the pandemic started. I was working long hours in the healthcare industry. I was looking for a new way to more income online. A year later, an opportunity came across my desk. It was different from any other business I have done. It is called OnPASSIVE. I saw the value and the vision right away and signed up. After listening to Mr. Mufareh, we are getting ready to launch to the world soon. If you are looking for a way to get out of your situation, this opportunity is for you. It does not matter if you are in college working a job you do not like or you are retired. Then OnPASSIVE is for you. No need to learn marketing or anything else. Everything is done for you. OnPASSIVE is the correction for the corruption. Mark Adamson USA.